Hi, welcome to this Code for IBM video. This time we're going to look at the object browser and how to create filters and how to quickly and easily find source physical file members. So let's just jump right into VS Code. I am already connected to my IBM but I don't yet have any filters. So I'm going to use the Create New Filter button here and set up a filter. The filter name can be anything that is meaningful to you. So I'm going to call this pbear source. We can use simple or regular expressions. And for this example, I'm going to just use simple. The library I want to look at is pbear, and I want all objects, so I'm going to leave that as an asterisk, and I want source physical file members, so I'll leave this as the default of source pf. I want all members and all types. Save my settings. I now have a filter. If I open this up, it will list all of the source physical file members that I have. And I open up my QRPGLE source, and you can see you just pull these open and it'll open up that source file for you. And just like that, we can work on our RPG programs. Okay? You may also want to create a filter for objects, pbear objects here. I'm going to again specify my pbear library. Down here though, instead of source physical file members, maybe I just want to look at programs and service program objects. I save my settings here, and now if I open up this filter, I don't have source physical file members. I actually have the objects that I have in my pbear library. Right? So you can look at any different types of objects you want. If you want to delete a filter, you just right click and delete, and that will take that away for us. We can also, I'm going to put pbear serve pugum source. Okay, simple. I want my library to be pbear. I want for my objects, I only want QRPGLE source and QServe source. Those are the only two source physical files that have service program related source in them. My members, all of my service programs end with SRV. So I'm going to use dot or asterisk SRV for the member name. And when I save this and open this up, I don't have all of my source files. I just have RPGLE source and QServe source. And I have filtered the list to be just the service programs. So that makes it pretty easy to find those as well. And I may want to have a filter over something like the Yagel library, which is kind of a production library. I don't want to change the source, but I might want to look at it. So I'm going to put Yagel in here. I'll leave this for all of the objects, source physical files, but I'm going to check this protected down at the bottom. And when I save that, you can see that this filter has a padlock on it. And if I open up any of the source files in here, I am not going to be able to make any changes to it because it's read only. So I do like that. It prevents me from accidentally making any boo-boos in production. And so I do understand that RPGLE source or DDS source can often get a lot of members in there, so it can be tedious sometimes to scroll through this list and find what you're looking for. And so what you want to find is this highlight button here in the object browser, and you can type in whatever it is you're looking for and it highlight or filter. So now in my RPGLE source, the only thing I see is what's filtered here. That's my test program right there. So I can pull it up that way. And another option, if you don't want to dig through the filters to try to find things and you know what you're looking for, you can just use this go to file and type in the library, source file, and program. QPBear. RPGLE source test SQL RPGLE, and that will open it right up for you and you're ready to go. So that's it for this video. Just wanted to talk about the object browser and creating filters and how easy it can be to find source members and get them opened up. So that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.